Managing member. Howard Tax Prep LLC is a small tax firm located in the South Loop of Chicago, Illinois, around Roosevelt and Canal. The number one thing that people do that it gives the IRS more than 10 calendar years to actually collect a back tax debt is that they file their taxes late. You see, for example, if I have someone that wants to file their taxes today and the taxes are from 2015 and the IRS does not assess the tax debt until June of 2019, that person, by filing their taxes late, just gave the IRS until 2029 to be able to collect on that tax debt. There's some other things that the IRS calls tolling. You toll the time, and tolling the time is nothing more than what I call fancy talk for stopping the clock. You also stop the clock if you deal with a tax debt resolution company that tries to do an offer for you, knowing that you don't qualify for an offer. And so when I say an offer is a settlement. So for example, let's say I owe the IRS $200,000, but I currently earn $250,000 per year. Over a 10-year period, I will be able to pay the IRS back, so the IRS will not accept my offer. Now, you'll have some companies that will take your money and say, oh, we'll go ahead and we'll submit an offer, and they're charging upwards to $10,000 or more. I've actually seen us, knowing that the client does not even qualify for an offer. So that stops your clock. And unfortunately, the IRS can take 6 months to 12 months to even tell you if your offer has been accepted or if your offer will be denied. Additionally, sometimes I won't say sometimes, actually, when you go into an installment agreement, that stops the clock while the IRS is actually looking at your payment options that you would like to pay. Then the IRS also stops their 10-year clock so that they're no longer collecting. They're no longer actively collecting from you. So that does not count toward their 10-year period. Now, there are some other things that you can do, which include bankruptcy. There's an injured spouse. There are a lot of different things that actually stop the clock from the IRS being able to actively collect from you, which inadvertently extends the 10 years on a calendar year to collect from you. So if you have some back tax debt, you can contact our office at 855-743-5765. You can ask for me, Trudy Howard. Or you can leave a message. Email is best, so you can always email me at thoward@howardtaxprep.com. You can also go to the website www.howardtaxprep.com, and you can click on contact us, and I will also receive that email. But again, the number one thing you want to do is file your taxes. Have a